Hi, Wagwan. Good morning, and how are you doing? How are y'all doing? This is Victory. So, I just want to talk about something real quick. Um, this thing just occurred, I think, this morning. Yeah. So I want to talk about managing your risk and following your plan following your plan in the markets, in the market, managing your risk, following your plan, and all sorts. So I got this analysis and this signal, all right. So I hopped on this trade, which was Xausd gold, and I will tell you that this was a nice setup, nice trade, and yeah, I went in because we had three TPs, three TP 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, so I already went in, and the first TP went on profit, but I removed the first take profit, thinking we're going for second and third TPs. So what happened was I removed my TP, I removed my TP1, and the market was still going up, having that hope that yes, we are going to make more in return, you understand. So like my emotions was there, and I just wanted making more. I wasn't focused on my capital, protecting my capital. My mindset was more on how much am I going to make off of this trade today, how much I'm going to make, you understand. So like I was focused on the money I'm going to make, not focus on protecting my capital, and that really was a bad thing to do. So afterwards, doing search thing, and I hopped in. I was first in profit, then boom, I opened two positions at first, and I was like, whoa, let me try and scale up this account. I want to scale up this account. I was trying to scale up the account from 8K probably going forward, now. So like I was trying to scale up such account, and I stacked up that trade. XAUSD, yes, XAUUSD gold. Yeah, sure, gold. So like I said, stacking up. I was buy. So I was like stacking up the buy for the markets to, I mean, just boom, wake up in TP3 or TP2 with about 20K upward 30K. You get me now? Yeah. So after stacking up like more than 10 trades to 15, I was stacking those trades up with, I was using one standard lot size. Yeah, one. So it was going with just 8K accounts. Imagine, crazy. Yeah, crazy. With just 8K account stacking up with one standard lot size. My mindset was trying to flip the account so quickly, and I can clearly remember over like 1 week ago, 2 week ago, last month, I've been working on the account, growing it gradually. But I don't know. That's why I see when you trade, you need to trade with your plan. With your plan beside you. When you trade, your book supposed to be okay. This is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm not going to do. Like you need to trade and work with your plan. Yes, you need to work with your plan to see what you are working with. Don't just wake up to the chart and start trading for trading sake, or you see an opportunity, you just hop in without not knowing why you want to enter the market, why you want to exit the market. You need to go with a certain plan and follow your rules and regulations in such plan. You need to follow your rules, follow your regulations, everything. What will make you a profitable trader is following what you've written down. That's the only thing that will make you a profitable trader. But when you follow your emotions, you are likely going to miss out on the road. Because in my case today, I felt like, okay, this is a nice opportunity for me. Let me stack up. I said stacking up, and boom, the market went to TP1. I removed my first TP, and the market immediately started reversing. I was like, whoa, what's going on? It started reversing, and yeah, I went out with a loss, and you can see this is the loss, 8K. is it too bright for y'all? So like this is it. I went with a loss, if you can see. So this is it. I went on a loss today, just today. 8k. I went on this loss. So like it was crazy. It was crazy. 8k loss. It was massive. It was crazy and also so it's like, bro, this is my mistake. I immediately knew that this was my mistake. I felt like, how about I stated out this was the money I was going to risk today. This was the amount I was going to risk. You understand? That would be a reasonable risk percentage or something. You get me? So if I stayed with my two positions with my 8k account, I would have still be on the trade. And guess what? The trade still went me out, blow my account. Yeah, I blowed my account. It went on 0.000. I blowed my account. I blowed my account. Yeah, I blowed my demo account. Yes, it's a demo account. I blowed my account. Yeah, I blowed my demo account, and immediately I refunded the market and I repositioned again. And yeah, now I opened another trade. Yes, because I repositioned and I went on the same XAUSD and I bought, and now I opened three positions. I now I'm up of 3k. See, you can see. I want this in here. So this is it. This is it. I'm up 3k, if you can see. Sure, I'm up of 3k now. So like, yeah, that's it. I repositioned. The whole thing is just to reposition. It's just to reposition. I repositioned and went back into the market, and now I'm in profit. You get me? So when you know, follow your plan, your trading plan, you follow it without, don't give room for anything. Do not give room for anything. Do not give room for anything. The moment you are a newbie in the forex market, you're a new beginner, do not have that mindset of trying to flip your account, because when you flip your account, it's going to mess with your psychology. I can tell you the fact that I was still on a demo account, I felt it, not like feeling it on a real account, but I was like, whoa, this was the account I was nurturing for over a month. I was in profit and I just blew it in one day because of what? I wanted flipping the account. I wanted flipping the account, taking it from 8k to probably 30k, 20k. You understand me? So like, trying to flip your account on the early stage or intermediate stage is very wrong. Follow your plan, follow your risk management, because without risk management you can't make it far in this industry. Know how much you are willing to risk every day, pending on your account size, pending on your account balance. Know how much you are willing to risk. Know how much you are willing to risk. Always have that written down. Okay, I'm having an account of 5k. I am willing to risk only 2% or 1% of my account today. You get? So that's a more reasonable amount to risk per trade, and you are trading a long term, except you want to trade a short term whereby you risk on a 5k account, you risk 10%, 5% to blow it within 2-3 days, which is very wrong, which is very, very wrong for a trader. So you understand me? I just understood my mistakes, and that's why I'm up here to let you all know. I stacked my gold. I bought and I stacked it thinking I was going to make more, but it went against me and I blew my accounts. I repositioned with a 10k account again, because I funded immediately my demo account with 10k again, and yeah, sure, I'm up of $3,000. That's plus my 10k. I'm up of $3,000 with just three position. I'm up of $3,000. So just know how much you are willing to risk. When you know how much you are willing to risk, that's going to determine how far you are going to stay in this market. That's the fact, guys. Just follow your plan. Follow your plan. Don't let your emotions rule you. When you let your emotion rule you, that means you are not on track in the game. Make your plan, follow your plan, follow what is written on your plan. That's why I advise, when you are on your chart, make sure your plan, your trading plan is also beside you, so you can look at it. This is what I'm going to do, this is what I'm going to risk today, this is what I'm not going to risk today. Okay, when I get this certain amount of profit, I'm going out of the market. You need to know how much you are going to take from the market to step out, because greed is also a very bad side effect in the forex market. When you allow greed to take you out, oh my goodness, it's going to be a very dangerous thing. I can tell you what just happened to me today, blowing my account, is also part of greed, because opening my two positions, I literally didn't wait. Had it been I waited, the market went back to my entry and now is going up. I'm still on profit now. It's going up now. It's going up. You get me? So had it been I waited with my two positions, I'll still be on profit and my 8k account will still be up. But I blew the account because of greed. I wanted stacking the account up. I wanted making the account to taking it way higher than I expected just in a day. You get me? So don't let greed rule over you in the market. Don't let your emotions work on your psychology. Yes, you have to work on your psychology, because trading is 80% of psychology and what 20% of technical and analysis and everything. So what, just stay right on the market, know your goal, know your priorities in the market, and you will surely be a profitable big trader. Peace out, one love. And I'll bring you more of content whereby I know I'm lacking a little bit. I'm going to let us know which content you want me to cover up next. Yeah, so stay cheesed up, focus on what you want to get, and yeah, I believe the profit is yours. Stay blessed and stay ever in profit. Yusuf Victory Dasar. Take care, man.